Hi guys, this is David. Today I want to show you what's possible now in Excel. Building a dashboard without any Excel formulas. And it sure sounds crazy, but again, it is now possible in Excel. So currently the dashboard that I'm showing on my screen is related to the world population, and we have the data by country and with two different dates in time, 22 and 23, showing the regions and subregions and the percentage of change year over year. We have a top three increases, a top three decreases, we have a chart, and we have drop-down menus. So as I make a selection on the region, for instance, Europe, my results will update accordingly. Same thing if I select a sub-region, let's say Western Europe, and again, that the table at the bottom of my screen reflects the results based on my two selections on the region and the sub-region. And nothing is driven by Excel formulas. So how does that work? And the answer is Python. So let's take a look at this cell here as it contains Python code. If you take a look at the formula bar, you see that signs for PY, obviously short for Python. And if you go to the formula bar, you'll see that this is not an Excel formula. This is Python code. And it works as Python would work in Spider, in Jupyter, or any other framework. Defining the data set, that's my data coming from Power BI on my first tab called data, adding a field to calculate the change, the percentage year over year, and then taking into consideration my filters on the region and the subregion and returning the data. So quite simple to filter the data, to gather non-like data and modifying it using Python. Definitely possible to do it using Excel formulas, but much easier using Python. So how does that work? First, you need to be part of the Microsoft Insider program. Why? Because the feature is not fully deployed yet, but you can gain access to it by enrolling into the Microsoft Insider program. So if you go to File and go into Account, you'll see an option for Microsoft 365 Insider. And if you sign up for the beta channel, you'll get some updates, and after Excel will allow you to use Python. Once it is installed, how do you create Python code? Well, simply go to a cell and in the formula bar, or just type equals py, and it says create Python formulas. And take a look at the formula bar to see what's happening when I open parentheses. Automatically, it switches the formula bar to Python code here with that green like area. You can add your code as you would, again, in any other frameworks with multiple rows. And when you're done with your code, instead of pressing enter, just press Ctrl plus enter, and it will apply your code. It is leveraging the Microsoft Cloud, so it requires an internet connection. It sends the code to the Microsoft Cloud, performs the calculation, and returns the data. But as you could see, as I was applying filters, it is still blazing fast, regardless of the need for an internet connection. And as a result, we are able to create dashboards in Excel without any Excel normal formulas. Well, guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to add them in the comments, and I'd be glad to assist you guys. Thanks for watching.